Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, something that touches all of us at some point in our lives. We're talking about rejection, and more specifically, how high-value men handle rejection. You see, rejection is a part of life. It's something we all experience, whether it's in our personal lives, our careers, or our relationships. But it's how we choose to respond to rejection that truly defines us. Today, we're going to explore the steps that high-value men take when faced with rejection. These are the men who know their worth, who approach life with confidence and resilience. They don't let rejection define them. Instead, they use it as fuel to learn, grow, and ultimately become even stronger. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could change the way you approach every aspect of your life. 1. Acknowledge the rejection. The first step to overcoming any obstacle is to acknowledge it. This is especially true when it comes to dealing with rejection. It's a universal experience that everyone faces at some point in their lives, and rejection is no different. It can come in many forms, whether it's in your personal life, your career, or even in your social interactions. High-value men, they understand that rejection is simply a part of life. They know that it's not the end of the world, but rather a stepping stone to something greater. It's not a reflection of their worth, their character, or their potential. Instead, they see it as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become even better. Think about it like this. When someone rejects you, they're not rejecting you as a whole person. They're simply making a decision based on their own needs and circumstances. They're simply saying that, at this particular moment, you're not the right fit for their particular need or desire. And that's a crucial distinction to make. And that's okay, because the truth is, not everyone is going to see your value. Not everyone is going to understand what you bring to the table. Not everyone is going to appreciate your unique qualities. And that's perfectly all right, because you are not for everyone, and everyone is not for you. And that's perfectly all right, because you are not for everyone. And that's what makes you special. That's what makes you unique. And that's what makes you special. That's what makes you unique. High-value men, they understand this. They embrace their individuality. High-value men, they understand this. They embrace their individuality. They know that their worth is not determined by someone else's opinion, and they don't waste time trying to convince someone else of their worth. They focus on their own path, their own journey, and their own growth. They accept the rejection, they acknowledge it, and they move forward with grace and dignity. They understand that every rejection is a redirection towards something better, because they know that their journey is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. Each rejection is a new opportunity to find a better path. In fact, it's just beginning. It's a chance to start anew, to explore new possibilities, and to ultimately find where you truly belong. 2. Maintain self-worth. One of the most important qualities of a high-value man is his unwavering self-worth. He knows his value comes from within, not from external validation. Imagine a magnificent oak tree standing tall and strong. Now, imagine someone comes along and carves a nasty word into its bark. Does that carving diminish the oak's strength, its beauty, its years of growth? Of course not. The oak remains majestic, unfazed by the meaningless scribbles on its surface. High-value men are like that oak tree. They don't allow the opinions of others to define their worth. They know their strength comes from within, from their values, their character, their accomplishments. Rejection might sting for a moment, but it doesn't shake their foundation. They don't crumble under the weight of someone else's disapproval. Instead, they hold their heads high, knowing that their true value runs deeper than any fleeting opinion. They are diamonds, and their worth is inherent, regardless of who does or doesn't recognize their brilliance. 3. Reflect and learn. Life is our greatest teacher, and every experience, even rejection, holds valuable lessons. It's through these moments that we truly grow and evolve. Each setback, each challenge is a stepping stone towards becoming a better version of ourselves. Now, high-value men, they understand this. They see the bigger picture and recognize that every experience, good or bad, contributes to their personal development. They see rejection not as a failure, but as an opportunity for growth. It's a chance to reassess, to recalibrate, and to come back stronger. Think of it as a feedback loop. Each experience provides data, insights, and feedback that you can use to improve. It's a chance to step back, to reflect, and to ask yourself some important questions. What went wrong? What could I have done differently? Could I have approached the situation differently? Were my expectations realistic? These questions help you gain clarity and perspective. Is there anything I can learn from this experience to improve myself? Every lesson, no matter how small, adds to your growth. Now, this isn't about dwelling on the negative or beating yourself up. It's about honest self-reflection. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses. It's about taking ownership of your actions and identifying areas where you can grow. This self-awareness is crucial for personal development. Maybe the rejection highlights a need to work on your communication skills, or perhaps it shows that you need to be more assertive or empathetic, or perhaps it encourages you to step outside of your comfort zone and try a different approach. Embracing new challenges can lead to unexpected growth. Whatever the lesson, embrace it. Each experience, each rejection is a valuable teacher. Because every time you learn from rejection, you become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. You build a foundation of knowledge and experience that will serve you well in the future. You equip yourself to navigate future challenges with greater confidence and clarity. This is the essence of growth and self-improvement. 4. Stay positive. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, but staying positive is crucial, especially in the face of rejection. When life throws challenges your way, maintaining a positive outlook can be your greatest asset. High-value men, they understand the power of a positive mindset. They know that their attitude can influence not just their own lives, but also the lives of those around them. They know that dwelling on negativity only attracts more negativity. It's a cycle that can be hard to break, but it's essential to do so for personal growth and success. So instead, they choose to focus on the good. They look for the silver linings in every situation, no matter how small they might be. They focus on their strengths, their accomplishments, and the opportunities that lie ahead. By doing so, they build a foundation of confidence and resilience. Imagine your mind as a garden. Just like a garden, it needs care and attention to flourish. You can choose to water the seeds of doubt, fear, and resentment. These negative thoughts are like weeds that can overrun your garden if left unchecked. Or you can choose to nourish the seeds of hope, optimism, and self-belief. These positive thoughts are like flowers that can bring beauty and joy to your life. High-value men choose to cultivate a garden of positivity. They understand that their mindset is a powerful tool that can shape their reality. They surround themselves with supportive people, those who uplift and encourage them. They engage in activities that bring them joy, whether it's a hobby, a sport, or simply spending time with loved ones. And they practice gratitude for all the good in their lives. By acknowledging and appreciating the positive, they attract even more positivity. Because they know that a positive mindset is not about denying the challenges. It's about facing them with a sense of hope and determination. It's about choosing to focus on the possibilities, even when things get tough. It's about seeing the potential for growth and improvement in every situation. It's about believing in yourself and your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. With a positive mindset, you can turn challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality. 5. Move forward. You know, life is too short to dwell on setbacks. And high-value men, they understand this. They don't let rejection paralyze them or define their future. They allow themselves time to process, to learn, and then they move forward with purpose and determination. They dust themselves off, they adjust their sails, and they set their sights on the horizon. Because they know that rejection is not the end of the story. It's simply a detour, a redirection, perhaps even an opportunity to discover a new path, a more fulfilling path. They use the experience as fuel to work harder, to dream bigger, and to pursue their passions with even greater fervor. They refuse to let the opinions of others dim their light or extinguish their fire. Instead, they rise above the negativity, stronger and more resilient than before. They embrace the journey, knowing that every step, even the steps backward, are leading them towards their ultimate destination. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, rejection is just a stepping stone to success. It's a test of your character, your resilience, your ability to rise above challenges and come out stronger on the other side. Embrace those tests, learn from them, and never, ever let them define you. Because you, my friend, are capable of amazing things. And the world is waiting to witness your greatness. Stay strong and keep moving forward always.